Working in Franklin, Tennessee today, working off the dually, and over here, washing several things. So the guys are working on the community sidewalks here, runs left to right in front of the house. You know, always try to make a clean break on your community sidewalks. So that's where this customer's ends, and the neighbors start. So we did a clean break there, working on this aggregate. We're doing something a little bit different on this one. What we're gonna do on this one is seal it tomorrow, and we're gonna do a total of 3 coats on it. Over here, we've got a lot of degradation. It's really started to come apart, so our suggestion is to buy some more time. The best we could do is we can put 3 coats of sealant on it. It'll just help to give it a little bit more time. So we're gonna wash it today, seal it tomorrow, fill in the cracks, and driveway, walkway, front porch, only about 1,100 square feet in total, I believe. Over here, back here, lead around to the back, washing this stone. This is I forget what type of stone, but it's a regular cut one. So we're getting all this washed. They want to get some mortar repair done to it, so we're getting it all cleaned up. And then after it's washed, they'll provide a baseline. So then from there, they can determine if they want to do a repair of any sort on it. So coming much better. This was black before, so way better now. So that's what we got. We'll be out of here shortly. Job number 3. We got one more to go after this. Catch you guys on the next video.